Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lola, AE29 DIY.
Some girls are only about that thing.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be changing these plain vases into something a bit more glamorous. A friend of mine has a birthday party to do and she's asked me to do these for her, so I'm just showing you basically what I did and how they turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It has been a while. I'm hoping to do some more videos soon and I will see you later. Ciao. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you do want to see more from me, and if you like this video, I appreciate you all. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Bye.